Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today we're going to be going over some URL path aliases. So, if we go to our About page, one thing you might have noticed is that our URL is not looking so hot. It says, our ST is where our site's located, but after that it says /node/1. And, that's okay, but it's not really great, and I personally would never put up a site with a URL that looked like that. So, what we're going to show you how to do is how to change those and then how to set up patterns so that any new piece of content that you make will follow those patterns. And this is a great thing to do, set up when your site's just starting so you only have to do it once or twice and set it and forget it. So one thing I'm going to show you is how to adjust a piece of content's URL alias itself. So if we go to our About and let's click Edit here. In the edit screen, we can actually go through and under URL path settings, we can specify our own path for this. We can just say it's about. Actually, let's just make this something funny because I'm going to change it later. So let's just say it's Scott/about. Click Save. This page is now located at st/Scott/about. But if we were to create another page, let's create another page, add content, basic page, and we're going to create a projects page. And I'm not even going to bother anything except for putting a menu link in our main menu, having it be third. The comments are off. Let's not worry about URL paths. Comments are closed. Okay. Save. Okay. So now projects about. Now this one, we notice has st_node/4. That's because we have to tell Drupal what sort of rules to follow anytime you're making a new page or a new piece of content, what that URL is going to be. So if we go to configuration up here in your menu bar, and then we're going to go down here to URL aliases under search and metadata. You'll notice you can see our Scott/about is an alias that we've made to point to node-1, because as far as Drupal is concerned, that piece of content is still node-1. We're just pointing Scott/about to node-1 and displaying Scott/about. So let's say we wanted to set up a pattern so that every time we make a new piece of content, it follows the same Scott/about, or just even /about or / whatever the content title is. Well, for that, we're actually going to have to install a module. So in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to install a module called URL path aliases, and with that, we're going to make our patterns. Okay, well, see you next time. Once again, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and thanks for watching.